Hey guys, welcome here to another video of mine on SirMalo performance. My name's Ivan, this is my son Alonso. We're gonna head out to the bank real quick because I gotta deposit some money for the bills. But I'm gonna be driving my SRT8 today. This is a cold startup in the interior. Ready? Yeah. Sounds alright. Why am I doing this video? Because I'm gonna do some mid pipes, meaning I'm gonna bypass the catalytic converters and just straight into the mufflers. I got two Flowmaster 40 series. I got the suitcase to lead in the back. This is the interior volume with my windows all the way up. It's an SRT8 300C intake, no headers, just intake, the Flowmaster exhaust, and a Diablo Sport tune. And speaking of Diablo Sport tune, in order for us to disengage all traction on this, because it uses brake calipers on the rear. Yeah, go ahead.
Yay!
It's this ESP button that's right there. He's gonna press and hold until it disactivates it, because we don't want that brake caliper to be kicking in when we're doing burnouts. That brake caliper either engages the back driver side or the back passenger side. It'll just do pulses, right? Is that the word? I think.
Yes.
It'll grab and squeeze the rotor, and then it'll let go, so it dissipates that wheel spin. But we don't want that. We want wheel spin, right, Alonso? Yes, we do. So I'm gonna have my son Alonso here hold the camera, and we didn't even put the seats down for the subwoofers in the back.
You want me to?
Yeah, why not? Sorry guys, I have a little subwoofer there in the back, just a little 8-inch, super small. Yeah, do the other side. It's just a little subwoofer in the back. It's the tiny one, just nothing.
How do you do this one?
Just pull the seat down. No? It's not working?
Yeah.
It's that little handle, like it's that little piece of rope, left side. Your left arm's right on it.
Oh, there's.
Yeah. That. There you go. That's how you fold your seats down. Those are the little subwoofers that I have, so they're alright. They're not that loud. That would be another video, but as for now, I can't flip the camera. It's not like the other phone that I had where I can flip it. That way it's not like a face screen. Anyways, so now that we're going to take this out for a drive, and we're in beautiful rainy weather. Here, you hold this, Alonso. That's the camera right there. Oh man. Obviously safety first. Seatbelts. Yeah, your seatbelt. Here. Alright guys. Stay here with me. I should probably get the video camera holder for my car, but yeah, I should. Alright, let me pause this up. Record file. Alright, so you got it?
Yeah.
There you go, it should be recording. As long as there's no police. Why is it shadowing so much? There you go, lift it up, that way you get some sun. You might want to move your finger. Fresh air.
Yay!
Oh shit.
What?
There's a car behind us.
Oh snap.
Why must you ruin the fun? Why does it shadow up? Is it because of the way you're holding it?
Hold on.
Try to hold it like that.
We need the little thingamabob.
see our reactions, I guess. Can you try to stick out the phone out the window?
It's gonna fall.
It's gonna fly out.
Rubber.
There's all this rain fall on us like from the moonroof.
Looks like there's no cars, no cops, no nothing.
Maybe we should go mudding in this 300.
No, we're gonna get stuck.
You think so?
Yes.
Nah, I don't think so.
Okay, so when we get stuck, I'm not gonna be the one wasting money on something that can pull us out.
We have a truck that's not working.
That's being worked on.
The SirMaloperformance is working on SirMalo, my 04 Silverado. But you know how that goes. The whole work and all that.
Yeah.
This looks pretty slick over here. You want to get off and try to record? You're gonna have to point with that camera, not the back.
Oh.
You want to try to get
Wait. What do you mean?
I'm gonna try to do some burnouts. Just try to stand right there.
Okay.
But you're gonna have to point the screen towards
Oh,
the
okay.
car. You're not even gonna be able to see. Try to do like a selfie, like you're doing a selfie the whole time.
I don't know how to take a selfie, but okay. Ah! So hold on. Like maybe like that. Yeah, you think so?
I think that should be enough.
Here you go.
There's not enough space here. Alright guys, that's enough for you guys. Enough fun for you guys. Move it, kid, before I run you over. Oh yeah.
Okay, leave me here for cops come.
Alright guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe. This is my son Alonzo. Obviously don't do this in an open road. This is all in enclosed Mexico roads, right? Estamos en Mexico.
I
guess. Don't say that to them. We're in Mexico.
Kidding.
Yeah. Say where we're at. Say we're in Tijuana.
We're in Mexico.
There you go. Alright, put on your seatbelt because safety first. Far foremost, safety is always the first thing we gotta apply to. Alright, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Sorry for making this video super duper long. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. We're going off to the bank and then bump those little subwoofers so they can't bump no more. Peace.
Peace.